Good morning, children. Yesterday we are completed our fourth lesson some activities. Today we know remaining activities. Okay. Now open your studio. Children, see page number 39. You are having 4A activity in compare. Are you completed this activity? So paste pictures of places in your neighborhood such as bank and post office like that. What you are having in your neighborhood, you have to stick the pictures of that, or you have to draw the pictures and compare it. Okay. Then next we have to open page number 40. Page number 40 see once. Like all neighborhoods, spaces has a few rules too. Some of the neighbors do not follow these rules. Okay, when we are living together in our neighborhood, people they are not following some rules. Some people they can follow. Okay, so if you are follow or not, how can we know? So some actions we have to see, we have to observe some actions. So we have to follow some rules. Here some rules they are given. 4.5 activity see once. Throw waste only in the dustbin. That is the one rule. Do not park cars in the middle of the street. Okay. Some members they can park the cars in the middle of this road or streets. Okay. Or somewhere. So do not play music or movies very loud. Some people they play music very loudly. Okay. So we have to control that, or we have to follow the rules because we are living in the one place now. So that's why. See here, predict what can happen when people do not follow rules. So what people do in neighborhood, what the people they can do, we can know. Dump garbage anywhere. So if they are doing like that, what happened? See, dump garbage anywhere, what happened? It will be the places will be dirty. Okay, so that's why we have to keep the garbage in only dustbin. And park cars here and there. Different places they can park. Okay, so that's why you have to follow the rules. We have to park at some places. There will be no place to move. If you are parking at the street on the road, what happened? There is no place to move. And play the radio or the television very loudly. Some members they can play very loud music. So what happened? The children and the old people they will be disturbed and the sick. It will be disturb the sicker people also. Okay, and the old people also. So we have to follow the rules and we have to maintain some rules. That is better for us. See now open page number 41. Rules in a neighborhood are meant to be followed. These rules have been made to make life easy, safe and healthy for everybody who lives there. If we are living some place, if we are following the rules, what happened? We live safe and healthy. Okay, because if we are having some proper conditions, proper rules, so it makes life easy. Okay, so we have to follow the rules. Even if one person does not follow a rule, it affects everybody. Okay, even one person also he is not following the rules, it can affect everybody. Okay, and one day person finds somebody moving into the house next door, he is going to have new neighbors. Okay, one day Percy finds somebody moving into the house next door, he is going to have a new neighbors. Okay, Percy's mother says that people should feel welcome in their new neighborhood. Percy is not sure about this. Okay, her mother says that people feel welcome in their new neighborhood. For example, in our neighborhood, some people came to know. How can we feel? We can friends with them. Like that, Percy also thinking like that. How they can spend with us. Like that he is thinking that. But he is not sure about this. He is worried about strangers coming to live next door. Okay. Percy's neighbor in the next door, he see one family they are coming to the new house. But he is thinking they are the strangers. They can coming to live next doors. Okay. So here you are having 4.6 activities. See that Would you like to have new neighbors? Would you like to have new neighbors? If it is yes, you have to write why, that reason. If you write no, you have to write why not, you have to write that reason. Okay, here you have to write the reason. Today work is the 4.6, you have to write this reason. Paise has some questions about the new neighbors. His mother answered them. Okay, he is having some doubts. So her mother she's answered that. Now see page number 42, 4.7. Read Paise's questions and his mother's answers here. Give your own answers to the last two questions. Okay, here Paise's query they are given and mother's answers here they are given. Two answers they are given. You have to write another two. Okay, first one see, I love plants. Will I be allowed in the garden anymore? Because when someone came to our neighborhood, some members they don't grow plants, they don't like. But here, Percy like plants, he love plants. So, will I allowed in their garden anymore? Mother answer, make friends with the neighbors so you can visit the garden, offer to water the plants. Okay, if you are friends with them, so we can offer them. Okay, so you have to offer the water their plants and so you can visit the garden. Mother says. Next worry. Will the new neighbors shout and be rude to children? New neighbors they will be shout. Children? He asked. Mother says answer. Most people like children who behave well. Okay. Most people like children who behaves well. Okay. Mother says. And next worry. What if the new neighbors do not talk to us? New neighbors why do not talk to us? Why? So you have to write this answer. Because they are friendly with them and give them a chance to us. Okay, that's why you have to talk with them. And what if the neighbors' children are mean? He asked, what if the neighbors' children's mean? His answer. So mother says how it is answer. You have to think and you have to write here. So we would talk to them and also try and help them make to new friends. That's why you have to talk with the new neighbors. That's why you have to friendship with the new neighbors. If any problems we are getting, they will help us. Okay. So Percy now understand that there are good things about having new neighbors and he gets ready to welcome them to the neighborhood. Okay children. So in your neighborhood, if you are allowed to new neighbors, you have to write the reason here and it is why or why not, you have to write the reason also. Okay children, so you have to complete today 4.6, 4.7. You have to complete today. So he gets ready to welcome them to the neighborhood. Finally, he will welcome to the neighborhood. Okay children. So today you have to complete this. And next class we will discuss remaining. Bye children.